Assignment is presented by Khurram Ashraf, Osama Asif, and Saman Javed on the topic of Cuckoo Sandbox for malware analysis. So, what is Cuckoo Sandbox? It is a tool that is used to launch malware in a secure and isolated environment. It fools the malware into thinking it has infected a genuine host, and it also records the activity and behavior of the malware. It gathers IOCs which are required for analysis of security incident. The architecture of Cuckoo Sandbox is that it is installed on guest operating system and file is run on it to check its behavior. And then guests send the behavior analysis to host which analyze the behavior to generate report of it. We have chosen Debian 10 as virtual environment which is our guest to run the Cuckoo Sandbox. After the installation of Debian 10, now we install Cuckoo Sandbox on it. For this, first we will use an open source blog for the installation of Cuckoo Sandbox step by step. We will run a command sudo apt get update to update our repository firstly, and then we will move to the installation of MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Oracle VirtualBox, TCP/dump, and we also install Volatility, which is memory forensic framework. And with this, we will continue to install all the required packages. Now, since the installation of Cuckoo Sandbox is completed, we will launch Cuckoo. We will start off by starting the virtual environment by command environment. Then we will launch Cuckoo and we can see that it is ready and waiting for malware analysis task. We will also set up web interface for Cuckoo. We will start at the terminal and we will run the Cuckoo web interface. Then we will access the web interface for Cuckoo in Mozilla Firefox. And now we can see the dashboard for Cuckoo Sandbox. On the dashboard, we can see the option for uploading file for malware analysis. We can upload file by browsing it in our system and for which we want to get malware analysis summary. And then Cuckoo will perform the malware analysis on it for us. We can see all the files for which we had performed malware analysis previously in the recent analysis. On the summary page, we can see the malicious behaviors of malware. So, we can see that one or more of the buffers contain and embedded portable executable files. We can also see that malware executes permissions to enter process, which is indicative of possible code injection. And malware is also looking for the presence of antivirus or forensic tools, which is indicative of anti-forensic activity. By using library, it also hooks our mouse to record mouse events and it also performs process injection. Malware is also communicating to command and control server, so we can see that it has IP killer DDoS, which is a botnet activity, and is also looking for keyboard activity. In the side panel of Cuckoo dashboard, we can see the details of behavioral analysis summary. We can go to registry to check all the registries that are modified and if any files are transferred or not. In the Network Analysis tab, we can check the IP and port of C2C server to which malware is communicating, and we can see all the processes which are created or called by malware. We can also check all the buffers created during malware execution. Cuckoo also allows to export the analysis report in JSON file format to make analysis easy to understand. We have created a table for malware activity analysis. We can verify all of these by using JSON file format. So let's see if the lookup privilege value is present in JSON file. We can see that registry changes are being made for lookup privilege value. Next, we can see that malware potentially monitors messages before they appear in the window to the user. For that, there should be call for wh called wnd. We copy it and paste it in the JSON file. We can also see the malware C2 activity in which it connects to the C2C server. And this completes our malware analysis with Cuckoo Sandbox. Thank you.